Here from Android Coliseum. Here, you got a chance to review the Nest Wi-Fi router. So this is going to be great. I can connect it to my existing router and then have everything connect to this, and then I can control a lot of that through Google Home Assistant stuff. So that's going to be really kind of nice. Looking forward to trying this out. But at first I thought I'd unbox this for you, just so you can see what you're getting in the box. So normally you can buy the router itself. The Nest Wi-Fi is about $229, and this is $349, I think it is, with the extra little point, because I do have a house where I like to have a little, make sure I have full connection. My connection from my internet provider is here in the basement, and you know, basement isn't a great place to have your router to start. So I like having an extra little option in like a repeater elsewhere. I've been using the Linksys Velop system for the past few years. I liked that. It does have 3 nodes total. Has that app for parental controls, etc. But I've always found the app to be just archaic. Come on, rip. And anytime it's like my son wants extra time on the internet or whatever, it's a full schlemazel. It takes a long time. So this, hopefully, if I could go through Google, is good. So just to show you yet. Okay, so they're telling you how to make sure you put the nodes in different spots. Let's see if there's anything else around the box we should know. No. Yeah, it just works with Google, all that kind of fun stuff. Any specs we need to take a look at, it will do 2 and 5. Yeah. So, okay. Unbox. Slow reveal. Come on. Boop. Boop boop. Alright, so here we go. I think this will be our main guy. So we're going to plug it in with a barrel connector. There is Ethernet in, and I'm guessing that's out. That's why I always tricky with the Velop. You don't know which one's in or out, if that makes a difference or not. I don't know how to read the manual. And this is our extra port. Now, compared to the... it looks like it's going to have Google controls as well. That's going to be kind of neat. Does this have Google controls? No. So this may act like actually like a mini. That'll be neat to play with. So, when you don't get the QR codes, you shouldn't worry about pausing that. Anyways, the one thing I notice automatically is that this doesn't have Ethernet on it as well. So like in the Velop system, any one of the nodes you can have Ethernet on, so you can connect something in directly to it, which I use my Hue bridge upstairs. And then to be honest with you, it's like the good excuse for me to get rid of Hue, because I don't want to bring my Hue bridge down here to connect in. We'll see how it all plays out. Okay, a manual. Now I'm going to check the manual because, like, essentially I got to connect this into my Shaw router, and then I'm going to have to slowly one by one tell all my items in Google Home to connect to this router instead of the Velop system. So it's going to be a whole thing, and I'll have a full review and sort of walk through how I did that setup. Just I know that's something that's going to give me a little bit of concern. So we've got power. Barrel connectors for long-lasting power. We've got in here, what have we got in here? Ethernet cable, probably? Ethernet cable. Cool. And what else we got? Nothing. Okay, so I'll have a full review coming up in the next little while, and I'll show you how I did all this up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away. Thanks.